Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Homework 4. So we'll begin with pets. So here you've got where each of these represents an entry where someone was saying what their favorite type of pet is, and you can see them here. So what you'll do here is begin using the unique command, which you'll type here to see what all the different types of pets represented are. Then you'll do the frequency for each using the countDiffs function, sum those here, and then for the percentage you'll take each of these sums and divide it by this value as an absolute reference, and then sum all of those and you'll get the percentages. Then graph it. For pivot pets, it's going to be very similar, except you just place your cursor here, insert pivot table, and then create a pivot table, create it exactly in this spot, and then you'll graph that. For formula computers, very similar kind of problem. You have a long list. These are the entries that people made as far as what types of computers they have. So first you'll do the unique for each one. Then you'll count how many students had each. You'll calculate the percentage and get the totals here, and then graph. Pivot computers, you're going to do the same thing, but this time using a pivot table. And then for formula housing, here we have 2 instead of 1 data series. Oh, and by the way, on all of these, remember, there are always questions about the graphs that you have to answer. Anyway, 2 instead of 1 data series, so that then leads to a contingency table. We're using countDiffs again, but each entry has to match both a column over here or a row over here, and then a column heading over here. And then you'll highlight and graph that. And then you'll do the same thing with a pivot table. And remember, in the pivot table builder, you've got those 4 boxes. You'll be using the rows box for the year, but you'll be using the columns box for the type of housing. And you should end up with the same thing. And then you'll graph that as well. So good luck with this homework. It should be a really good test of your skills to date and how much you've learned.